A routine shift turns into a career-ending confrontation. What dark secret did this retail manager try to hide? On October 27, 2025, Palm Beach County Sheriff's detectives arrived at a Target store on North Congress Avenue in Florida. Their objective? A team leader named Megan Caserita, under investigation for systematically stealing massive amounts of cash. Corporate headquarters flagged mysterious register shortages, prompting asset protection to install covert surveillance in the cash room. Hidden cameras caught her slipping cash directly into her personal pockets. But how much money had actually vanished? Instead of using locked cash carts required by protocol, she carried uncounted deposit bags under her arm to evade detection.
Today's date is October 27th, 2025. Time is approximately 16:41 hours. This is Detective Mark Reamer, RYP, MER at 17616 with Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This will be a tape sworn victim witness statement reference Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office case number 25109-653. An incident which took place at Target, 500 North Congress Avenue. Present with me is Mr. Finnery Montina and Eric Grinley. Both loss prevention managers for Target. You understand I'm a deputy sheriff in Florida County in Palm Beach, the state of Florida?
Yes.
You understand providing with a false statement of oath as a arrestable criminal offense?
Yes.
Would you please raise your right hands? Do you solemnly swear and affirm that everything you tell me today is nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right. Both of you were, the reason why I'm doing this a joint statement is because both of you were basically equally involved with the process of the discovery of this and so forth, and being informed and handling the termination of the employee and that was found responsible for stealing this money that was being reported. If you can, just break down where you initially learned, what your process and whatnot, and then you contacted me on Friday,
Right.
informing me of it.
So Wednesday, which would be the 22nd,
Yeah.
we got an email from headquarters of both of us regarding shortage that was going on in the store.
When you say shortage going out of the store, you mean the cash registers at the front of the store?
Yeah, so the cash office process, there was shortage basically into the safe. So they tracked it to a team member, but they needed more video.
Okay.
So I came in on the 23rd, 5 a.m., installed a covert camera to get better eyes. That same night, we saw a team leader, Megan. We saw a movement that she was, taking cash from the bags into her personal pocket.
Okay.
And then she did it additionally Friday as well.
Okay.
We also saw her doing that live surveillance.
Okay. On Thursday night.
Thursday night and Friday.
And then Friday night.
Yes, sir.
Friday night is when you informed me of this, this going on, and you requested I come in and take a look at things and what else you guys would need to prosecute and press charges against her for the theft.
Yes, sir, because it was going to be turned into a internal investigation, which leading up to termination.
Gotcha. And in total, you guys set up the covert camera. You found in the process of her position. This is Megan Caserita, is the team leader.
Yes, sir.
Her process of what she does and responsibilities, and at the end of a closing shift, is going around and collecting the accrued money from the day out of a cash register. She takes that money, places it into what's called, you guys explained, as a red deposit bag.
Yes, cash bag.
And from there, she's supposed to also have simultaneously a green cash bag with her that's already got a pre-counted amount, which was $150.
Yes, sir.
And that money goes into the register for the next day.
Yes.
So the accrued money in the red bag is supposed to go straight from her hand or from the register straight to the floor safe in the cash office.
Yes.
Typical procedure with that for our employees is there's a cart, a secured cart that you explained to me. They're supposed to take that out of the cash office. That's got the money bags all secure with lock and key, not only for security purposes from the employees, but from any just random customer grabbing a cash bag and walking out.
Correct.
When you guys were informed of this from corporate, you began reviewing video and saw that Megan was not doing that procedure. And each individual day she'd go out when she was going to collect these money bag or the accrued money in a day, she brought the bags out from the office underneath her arm, and then went back to the office with it underneath her arm.
Yes.
Not the way it's procedure.
Yeah, not following the correct procedure.
With that said, once you guys placed the covert camera, you saw that she was obviously taking money and placing it on her person. At that point in time on the camera, you don't know what type or how much she was actually concealing until the money bag goes to corporate or is counted the next day by the appropriate management and then submitted to corporate.
Yes.
And corporate then notified you of the shortages for each of those.
Yes, we asked for an exact dollar amount, and then they were able to send an email.
And that's a spreadsheet you provided me for?
Yes, sir. Excel spreadsheet with the days that she worked and the shortages cost.
And then even to include the last 2 days where we communicated, you guys set up the covert camera.
Yes,
And
sir.
watched those steps take place.
Yes.
Today she came in for her regular scheduled shift, and you and Eric brought her into a corporate room office and tried to interview her, at which point she explained what?
Yeah, so in that case, which she denied any dishonest activity, stated that she's going through a hardship with family, her dad is ill, however, refused to admit to taking any cash from Target or stealing anything, insisted that she's only made mistakes 1 or 2 times, but it's never been to take money. Acknowledged that she did not follow best practice and utilize the cash card due to it being noisy and annoying and heavy, and that's why she wasn't following the best practice. Went into detail around the covert camera and the footage, in which she still denied, and filled out an admission statement stating you can do what you need to do.
Let me see, $27,663, which is as to date last week Friday, which was her last shift, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And over the weekend, you guys obviously didn't have any losses reported from corporate.
Nope.
No.
Okay. And these losses were only taking place that corporates noticed and notated on significant losses. And when I say significant, anything over $50, something like that, where
Yes, correct.
there's ones on that list from dating back to September 8th in the amount of $1,000 a day.
Yes.
From a corporate.
Correct.
Okay. As representatives of Target, you guys do desire prosecution and press charge against her?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
When interviewed internally, she cited family hardships and denied stealing, unaware that corporate audits revealed a staggering $27,663 loss. Under Florida Statute Section 812.014, stealing property valued over $20,000 triggers a second-degree grand theft charge. Furthermore, Florida Statute Section 817.034 adds severe charges for an organized scheme to defraud due to the systematic nature of the crime. Pleading to avoid handcuffs in front of coworkers, her request was denied as deputies executed mandatory physical restraint procedures.
Can I go with you guys?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I bring my bag and we not handcuff me until we're outside, please?
No, we have to handcuff you.
Unfortunately, we're going to go up to the LP office real quick. Yeah, that's fine. No, she ain't got nothing yet. Okay.
I'm just getting my bag.
Put your hands over the door.
Take this off your shoulder before we put those on because it'll not be comfortable.
Do you have a handcuff key?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna double lock these so these don't tighten up on you. Alright, come out that way. We're gonna go in the LP office, alright?
I'll take the other hallway.
Yep.
93-433. You got one mic in the 17.
I need the difference. We're going to declare a redirect for a 30 seconds. Shenandoah and military, Shenandoah and military. If we east side of the military, we have 37, 36, 1, 37. On the map, let's travel back and back.
I'm Detective Greenwood, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office.
Deputy parking.
Deputy parking. Okay. I'm gonna read you your rights real quick. If you want to talk, you can talk. If not, don't matter. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. I'm not answering any questions. You understand that?
Yes.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
You have the right to the presence or representation of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during any question. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you enter the presence or representation of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any question. You understand that?
Mm-hmm.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. You understand that? I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
And any statement can be used against you in the court of law. Do you understand that?
Mm-hmm.
You are currently under arrest
Mm-hmm.
for grand theft over $20,000 and organized scheme to defraud.
Jesus.
Target has provided us with more than an abundance of surveillance video and receipt of days you worked and cash drawers came up missing, and surveillance video of you placing money from those cash bags on your person before you deposit them.
Okay.
Okay. So they, like, I know they brought you in and did their internal thing,
Yeah.
but they have enough. So, do you want to talk? Do you want to explain? No?
No, thank you.
Okay. Your leg, what's up with your
I have plantar fasciitis.
Okay. Is it something you get checked out regularly, or that
I just had to start getting it, yeah, because it's really bad. So I'm just waiting to get with the podiatrist.
Do you have anything else on your person? I know your phone's in your
I
back
have a
pocket.
vape right here.
Okay. Anything illegal in your purse?
No.
We're gonna go take you over to the Lake Park substation real quick. Knock out some paperwork and send you off to the jail. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Alright, cool. Stand up. I'm just gonna put her in the back.
Hey, you have a cage card, don't you?
Yeah.
You have everything with you?
Yeah. Okay.
Bye, Lou. Yeah.
Take a right. It's gonna be that patrol car right there. This side. You're on the right side.
Oh, fuck. I hate small stuff.
I gotta take this out.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not meant to be comfortable.
I know it's not, but I'm too big for this. Can you? Thank you.
What was that?
Can you just like make them a little looser?
I cannot. When we get to the station, I could take a look at them, but I mean,
Okay. No
they look
worries.
like you got plenty of space.
Placed in custody, she was formally read her constitutional Miranda rights, setting up a crucial high-stakes choice. Under the Fifth Amendment, as reinforced in Miranda versus Arizona, suspects maintain the absolute right to remain silent during interrogation. When asked if she wished to explain her side, she firmly invoked her rights, legally halting all further police questioning. The critical takeaway? Modern loss prevention tracking creates an unbreakable evidentiary trail that renders employee theft impossible to conceal. Bypassing internal security measures for short-term gain will ultimately elevate workplace dishonesty into life-altering felony prosecution. What are your thoughts on how loss prevention handled this internal case? Leave your comments below and subscribe for more legal breakdowns.